Good afternoon, everyone. Today, we're going to do a couple experiments to show how charging a body works and how this can create electrostatic forces and also create an electric field. First of all, charging a body. There are three ways to charge a body: friction, induction, and conduction. In this experiment, friction method is going to be used. Friction charge occurs when bodies of different materials are rubbed together and transfer charges between them. The most common way to see this is by rubbing a balloon with someone's hair or with a woolly surface. This will charge the balloon in a negative way. Then we have electrostatic force. This is the force that attracts or repels bodies or matter that have an electric charge. We're going to demonstrate this with a balloon that is going to be charged negatively. I'll show you this later. To find the magnitude of this force, Coulomb's law is used, where K is Coulomb's constant, Q's are the charges on the different masses, R is the distance between the two charges. This force is much stronger than the gravitational force, and both of them are part of the four main forces. Usually the most common way to charge a balloon is to rub it against our hair. A way to make this in a faster and more intense way is to rub it against the screen. After rubbing for some time, the next step is to put the balloon against the wall, and it's gonna stay sticked in there. This happens because the balloon has a negative charge. When it gets close to the wall, the protons in the wall are gonna attract the balloon. This is shown in the image. Finally, there are electric fields. These are a kind of physical vectorial fields that surround electrically charged particles. Electric fields show how a system of charged particles are going to behave. For example, let's say we have some negative and positive charged particles. They are going to attract and repel each other in a certain way, and we can see how they would move or interact with each other. To show a more complex way of how electrical fields behave, a balance can be done with aluminum, paper, and some string. This way, when a charged material is put near the aluminum, they will attract each other and the aluminum will start to charge. Here, for example, once the two aluminum balls are charged, they will start to repel each other, and that is why one of them is spinning in this video. They are repelling each other.